Hello viewers, today we'll be talking about simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equation. Okay, I believe you have been hearing about it. Okay, meanwhile, I need you to press the subscription button on your phone, like the video and share. Okay, thank you for doing that. Okay, now today we'll be talking about simultaneous linear equation. Again, I'm going to break down simultaneous linear equation for you in this class. So the word simultaneous means at the same time. So when you say simultaneous linear equation or simultaneous equation, it means solving more than one equation at the same time. We say solving more than one equation simultaneously, that is at the same time. Okay, for instance, look at how simultaneous equation looks like. Okay, if I have, for instance, 2a plus 3y is equal to 5. This is equation 1. We'll say it is equation 1. Then I have minus 2a minus 5y is equal to 8. And I say this is equation 2. So, are you seeing the way it is? This is how simultaneous equation looks like, okay, in this our secondary school level, in our O level, okay? So, you are seeing two unknowns. That is, you are seeing two alphabets in the expression. The two alphabets you are seeing here is what? A and what? Y. You are seeing A and Y in the first equation. You also see the same alphabet in the second equation, A and Y. Okay? So these are the two unknown you are going to find. Okay? So in this our level, as I said, we'll be dealing with what? Finding two unknowns. But when you go to the advanced level, you can find more than two unknowns. Sometimes more than three unknowns. I get it depending on how the question is. Okay? So anytime you see an expression in this way, it means simultaneous equation. Now we'll be resolving this at the same time. Okay, now see how you will know that this is simultaneous equation, or how a simultaneous equation is supposed to look like. Anytime you see simultaneous equation in this form, that you see the alphabet, you see the unknowns. One is in this column, the other unknown is on this column, and after that, you see equal to, and a constant. The constant is the one that is without the alphabet. Are you getting it? So, if you see any expression in this form, a plus 2a plus 3y is equal to 5, minus 2a minus 5y is equal to 8. So, what I'm saying is that if you see an expression in the form like this, for instance, if I have 2a is equal to 5 minus 3y as our equation 1, and I have minus 2a, okay, minus 8 is equal to 5y as our equation 2. Look at it. It's still the same equation. So what I'm saying is, if you have an expression like this, you're going to see that it is not exactly looking like this. In this first question or equation, you are seeing the alphabets corresponding. The first equation, you have 2a. On the second equation, you have minus 2a. So the alphabet, the unknown here, are corresponding. Then the next colon, you are going to observe another number again and the alphabet, which is what also corresponding. So you have y, 3y, and what minus 5y. You have plus 3y and what minus 5y. So the alphabet should be what corresponding. Yeah, we have AA, we should have YY. Then after that, you will see an equal to sign. And after the equal to sign should be what? A constant, the ordinary number. So this is how it is supposed to look like. Not in this form. Here we have 2a is equal to 5 minus 3y as equation 1. And we have minus 2a minus 8 is equal to 5y. So this is not how the simultaneous equation is supposed to look like. So whenever it is like this, you rearrange. That's what you call rearranging. So you rearrange it such that it will not look like this. Alright, so how do we rearrange it? We know that the two alphabets should be on this side of the equation, while the constant should be after the equal to sign. So let's rearrange. We'll say rearranging. Rearranging. So we are going to rearrange it such that the two alphabets are going to be on this side, and after the equal to sign is the constant. So if it is so, here in this side of the equation we have 2a already. It's in this side, so there's no need for 2a to cross or to go to the other side. So it should be here. We'll have our 2a. Okay. Now, what else should be here is the other unknown, which is what? Minus 3y, which is in this side of the equation. So we have to bring back minus 3y to this other side of the equation. So when we bring minus 3y to this other side, how is it supposed to look like? Because the unknown is not supposed to be in this side of the equation. So we bring minus 3y to this other side of the equation to be what? Plus 3y. And after that should be what? The equal to sign. And here, after the equal to sign, the 5 is still in this side of the equation. So there's no need to cross 5. So 5 is still in this side of the equation. So we will remain 5 here. Okay? Then we'll say this is our equation 3. We are rearranging. Then on the second one, minus 2, the one with the alphabet is already here. So this minus 2 is supposed to be here. Okay? So keep it here, minus 2a. Okay? Then after that is minus 8. We know that minus 8 is not supposed to be in this other equation because it is the constant. It is supposed to be after the equal to sign. Okay? And then after the equal to sign, we see 5y, which we know that 5y is not supposed to be in this side of the equation. So it has to be crossed to this other side. So we are going to bring 5y to this side of the equation. So when we bring 5y to this side of the equation, this is an invisible plus. So when the plus sign crosses the equal to sign, to change to what? A minus sign. So we have minus 5y. Are you getting it? Now, it should be equal to this minus 8 should go to this other side, but that is where it's supposed to be, the constant. So if minus 8 causes this equal to sign to turn to what? Plus 8. And we'll say this is our equation 4. Okay? So at this point, we have rearranged it. This is how simultaneous equation is supposed to look like. Okay? Then, after this stage, we will now talk about the methods of solving simultaneous equation. There are two methods, there are two ways in solving simultaneous equation. One is the elimination method. The elimination method. And two is the substitution method. Okay? So we have the elimination method and the substitution method. So in the next class, or watch out for the next class, where we are going to use the elimination method to solve simultaneous equation. I'm going to tell you the secret of what? Simultaneous equation using